Yeah, what's up, YouTube? It's Victor Isibo. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, here we make reviews of make money online and offline opportunities. If stuff like this is something that brings you to YouTube, I want to invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. Like in the military, it's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Disclaimer, I am not an investment advisor. Do your own due diligence. I shall not be responsible for any profits you make or any losses you incur as a result of you interacting with my content. I've made several videos about Novatech because I have always been super convinced that there is some shady stuff going on behind the scenes. And in the cards above this video, throughout, you'll be seeing videos that I made about Novatech in the past. And at the end cards also, there would be two videos I made about Novatech in the past. I just thought to update the community about what's going on with Novatech. Okay, Novatech right now, so far we've seen Novatech get investor fraud warning alerts from Russia, from the British Columbia, from ALBERTA, and even a cease and desist refrain order from California. Okay, the financial regulatory bodies in all these places have issued warnings recently. We'll get into all that shortly. I'll show you snippets, we'll read snippets of those warnings, and also I'll leave links to those warnings in the description of this video so that you don't just take my word for it. You can go there, see these warnings yourself and read them up. Okay. There's also another one from Canadian authorities via the Ontario Securities Commissions. Update as per what's going on with withdrawals. Their withdrawal times now, it takes up to 18 days now for withdrawals from trading accounts, and up to 96 hours from bonus accounts. That used to take 24 hours though. In my counterpunch, I'm going to explain to you why it takes 18 days, to withdraw from trading accounts, and up to 96 hours, for bonus accounts. Okay, why that one is faster, you're going to find out real quick. Now, let us look at some of the fraud warnings real quick. Let's see the one that comes up first. Yep, this is the cease and desist order, California. Okay, the cease and desist order. Yes, you'll find it in a PDF form here. So when you click on the PDF, it's going to download into your device, and you're going to be able to read it up. Okay, the California authorities, they're saying that it is illegal for you to promote Novatech in California. Okay, let's see what's on the next one. Okay, so you see this one is dated October 11th, like you can see there. Okay, and in the background, they said Novatech claims to be located in Florida, and it also claims to be offering trading services by an experienced team of traders. We are aware that Novatech has accepted funds from British Columbia residents. Novatech is not registered to trade in or advise on securities or derivatives in British Columbia. We urge British Columbia residents to exercise caution when dealing with firms that are not registered to trade or advise in British Columbia. Okay, so this is the British Columbia financial regulatory body warning. The Ontario Securities Commissions also issued a warning. You will find that here. Um, okay, you'll find the securities warning here. What they said here that Novatech Limited, found at novatechfx.com, is not registered in Ontario to engage in the business of trading in securities. Okay, that is the Ontario security warning there. Um, you will see this is the ALBERTA securities warning. They have a list of companies that are not permitted to, engage in securities. And on the list, you will find Novatech, you know, on their red alert list, companies that are not meant to have anything to do with securities offering in their jurisdiction. And this is the Russian securities warning. This is an older one, but I just thought to show you so that you would know. Okay, you can see clearly here NOVATECHFX. Okay, NOVATECHFX there, and they say signs of an illegal professional participant in the securities market. NOVATECHFX, NOVATECHFX. Let's go back to Novatech website where we, counterpunch, and I give my thoughts about this platform. Now, what is going on here is a situation where Novatech has not been able to convince anybody that there's actual trading going on. And as for the withdrawals from the trading account taking 18 days, and that from the bonus account taking 96 days. Now, what we know is that with Ponzi schemes, there is actually no trading going on. Okay? When they say they are trading in Ponzi schemes, it is actually money circulation going on, collecting from Peter and giving to Paul. That's what is going on. But they put up a facade, they put up claims. We're doing this, we're doing that. Nothing is going on behind the scene. Novatech has not been able to prove to us that there's actual trading going on. So, withdrawal days is taking longer, up to 18 days, because when you ask for withdrawal, they need a long time to permit them have ample time to get in fresh deposits to use to process your withdrawals. But that of the bonus account, it takes lesser, 96 hours, because of course, for you to be able to, get a bonus is because you brought in somebody who brought in money. So that one is faster. They'll just take from that person's money and use to pay you. But the trading account is something that, is not true. There's no trading going on. So where are they supposed to get money to pay you? So that's why that one takes longer, because it gives them time to wait for fresh money, new money to come into the system. Then they can now use that money to pay you. Now, the thing is, these guys need new money so that they can continue to pay you. Okay, new money into the system is becoming very scanty. Marketing of Novatech is becoming very ineffective, and that is understandable considering the fact that all this that is going on. Anybody who you tell about Novatech, the first thing they want to do is go on YouTube, go online and read up what is happening right now, how all the securities, financial securities, regulatory bodies in all these major places are issuing warnings, different countries issuing warnings against Novatech. Who's going to want to come on board? Nobody, trust me. So there is no avenue for Novatech to get new money to pay old members. So, I mean, it's just going down the drain. So as for the withdrawal time of 18 days, trust me, I believe that majority of the people in Novatech right now are using the withdrawal button. So they're going to be having a huge withdrawal requests to process. Processing lots of withdrawals. Nobody is bringing money into the system. I mean, it's just going down the drain. So, my advice to every member of Novatech who has any substantial amount of money in the system is, of course, withdraw your money, especially when you have not made any profit. But for those that are longer in the system, especially network marketers who've made lots of money from referrals, and they are looking to probably help the system stay a while longer, they don't have any business withdrawing. If they want the system to survive, they shouldn't go about withdrawing. I mean, you know. But then again, people would always get in panic mode, and you don't want to lose your money. You don't want to wake up and see that all the money you're seeing in your back office is gone. So everybody's trying to withdraw. It's sad, guys, but it is what it is. I mean, these guys are not trading forex. They never were. You know, they were just sustaining the system with new money coming into the system, and they stayed this long because they were not paying ridiculously high returns, and that's why they stayed this long. Okay. What's your experience with Novatech so far? If you're a member of Novatech, leave it in the comment section below. Share this video, hit on the share button, and give this video a like so that the YT algorithm would recommend it to more and more people. And of course, please subscribe, and you guys may counterpunch in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. It's bye for now.